Why are OEM HVAC parts sometimes recommended over aftermarket parts? Original equipment manufacturer parts are sometimes recommended because they are designed to match the equipment's exact specifications, which can improve fit, safety, reliability, and warranty protection. OEM parts are made by or for the company that built the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. They are designed for a particular model, so details like electrical ratings, motor speed, mounting holes, airflow, and sensor readings are more likely to match correctly. Aftermarket parts can also work well, especially when made by a reputable manufacturer, but the phrase "fits your system" does not always mean performs exactly like the original. A small difference in a blower motor or control board can cause weak airflow, strange cycling, higher energy use, or damage to another component. One lesser-known issue is that some newer systems use computer communication, so a replacement board may need exact software or programming to communicate with the outdoor unit. To make a smart choice, write down the system's brand, model, serial number, and the part number. Then ask the technician to compare electrical ratings and warranty terms. Also ask whether the part is genuinely compatible, whether it includes required sensors or programming, and whether a tested aftermarket option could safely reduce the cost. One common mistake is assuming the cheapest part is the best deal, so compare the part price with labor, expected lifespan, and warranty coverage. Another mistake is treating all aftermarket parts as poor quality, so check the manufacturer's reputation and the technician's experience with that specific replacement. People also sometimes replace a failed part without finding the original cause, such as dirty filters, restricted airflow, voltage problems, or a refrigerant issue. So have the full system tested before installation. Finally, never judge compatibility by appearance alone. Use the model number and technical specifications. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.